Hi, I'm Joel, and today I'm going to show you how to put up a piece of magic wallpaper. First of all, you need to have a couple of tools to hand. We'd recommend that you have a damp cloth in order to prepare the wall before you actually apply the magic wallpaper, a pair of scissors or a Stanley knife in order that you can trim the magic wallpaper once it's up, or around edges, for instance a shelf as we have here. We also recommend you have a soft cloth, in order to apply the magic wallpaper once you've actually physically put it up on the wall, and to make good any bubbles, and a tape measure. First of all, you need to prepare your area or the wall that you'd like to apply the magic wallpaper to. As you can see, we've already prepared this area here. All you need is a damp cloth, just to wipe down over the area, just to make sure that there are no loose particles or dust on the area. As you can see here, this is pretty clean. There are a couple of areas which Blue Tack has been in contact with and has taken away the top layer. That shouldn't matter once the magic wallpaper is up. The magic wallpaper should disguise or mask those imperfections in the wall. First of all, you need to decide which piece to put up first. We always recommend that you go from left to right. As you can see, with each magic wallpaper you will receive an instruction page which basically numbers each page or each piece of wallpaper in order that you can then ascertain which you put up first. Obviously the number is on the back of the wallpaper, on the backing, so we tend to advise that you use the first or number one piece and apply that on the left hand side. Then you can obviously put up the subsequent pieces after that. Okay, so we have the first piece here. As you can see, it's numbered on the back, number 1. The number is always actually situated at the top of the wallpaper, so you can make sure that you're actually fitting it from top to bottom. First and foremost, just position the piece in the area that you want to put the wallpaper, just to ensure that it's where it needs to be and you're happy with it. As you can see, we're going to be running it down this particular wall. There is a bleed of 3mm on these, so you can ensure that if you want to actually overlap it slightly, you can do. In this particular instance, I'll be putting it up against the vertical next to it and applying subsequent pieces from there. So I'm happy with that. Okay, as you can see, there's a backing on each piece. First and foremost, you need to peel back perhaps 4 to 5 inches of the backing. Try to make sure that it doesn't stick on itself. If it does, that's not the end of the world. You can actually pull it apart, but the adhesive doesn't like it too much. So turn it around, initially position it as you see fit. Since I'm just going to be putting it up against the edge there. So that is where I want it to be. So you loosely apply the top area, just like so. And then what you can do, you can actually physically see that it's there, it's not going anywhere. You can then get the cloth, and as you pull down the backing, you can simply wipe across the wallpaper as you go. Okay, don't worry too much about velvet at this stage. see, I'm swiping from left to right as I go, as I'm pulling the backing off. The tree. Easy. So, you see, I'm not happy. You can then lift and apply as I'm going, and we've got that first piece on. Once the first piece is in situ, we get our second piece, again number 2, as it's second in the line from left to right. Again, the same process once again. Steps. There is a bleed on this, so it allows you to perhaps overlap up to a couple of mil as you see fit. You may not wish to, but you can. Okay, so peel the backing off. Okay, so you see that edge is married up. Right, as you know. Okay, that's piece 2. Once again, you see number 3 is at the top there. We have the top 4 or 5 inches back. Position. As you see fit. Same routine. use your cloth